Hello, this is Shuttle Commander Tuna. Welcome to the Millennium Falcon. Next to me is my second in command, Pilot Kat. Also aboard are our mission specialists, Kelly, Monica, Lydia, Maddie, Lucia, and Mitna. We will be taking you on a quick tour of our solar system. We hope you enjoy the trip. Let's start with the mission specialist, Lydia, as we approach the planet of Mercury.
Hello, welcome to Mercury. My name is Lydia. The size of Mercury is 1,516 miles. The color of Mercury is gray, but it's slightly brown. The distance from the sun is 35.89 million miles. Mercury means a god of travel. It is the first planet from the sun. It takes 88 Earth days to orbit around the sun. The length of the day on Mercury is 58 Earth days. The temperature on Mercury is negative 279 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 0 moons. It also has no rings. It is mainly made out of iron. The Babylonians in 1639 first discovered it, and Mercury is the smallest planet out of all of the planets. Mercury is not easily seen except for in daylight, and only 13 times in Earth can see Mercury.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and my planet is Venus. The size is 12,104 kilometers. The color is pale yellow, and the distance from the sun is 67.24 million miles away. What does its name mean? Well, Venus is defined as the Roman goddess of love. The position in the solar system is 2 planets away from the sun. It takes 224.7 Earth days to travel around the sun. The length of Venus's days are 225 Earth days. The temperature is 864 degrees Fahrenheit. And how many moons does it have? 0. And it has 0 rings. And Venus is made of iron, rock. It has a rocky mantle with an atmosphere made of carbon dioxide and nitrogen and other gases. Who discovered the Venus? Galileo. When? 610. 3 interesting facts. We're redoing this because you got it in the, but it's okay. Did you know that Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? Venus is the second brightest natural object in the sky. Venus is the only planet named after a female. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Rachel Thompson. I am working on the planet. Its name is Mars. Its size is 2,106 miles. And the color is a red-orange. Well, a reddish orangish color. The distance from the sun is 141.6 million miles. What does its name mean? Many planets got their name from a mythological god. Mars' definition is the Roman name Ares, the Greek and Roman god of war. Position is the fourth planet in the solar system from the sun. The orbit is 686.93 Earth days. It takes 24 hours and 39 minutes and 35 seconds to take through one rotation for each day. The temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 20 degrees Celsius. How many moons does it have? It has 2 moons. How many rings does it have? It has 0 rings. My planet is made of basalt rock. Who discovered the planet? Christian Huygens. And when, you ask, is November 28th, 1964. The last 3 interesting facts I found about my planet that I haven't written down yet is the equatorial diameter is 6,792 kilometers, and the polar diameter is 6,752 kilometers. The mass is 6.42 times 10, there's like a caret thing, and then 23 kilograms. 7% of Earth, I messed up. Whatever, it doesn't matter. The moon's names are Phobos and Deimos. Orbit distance is 22,794,384 kilometers, or as I would say, is 1.52 AU. And the orbit period is 1.9 years.
Hi, I'm Kat, and my planet is Jupiter. The size of Jupiter is 142,984 kilometers. The colors of Jupiter are white, red, orange, brown, and yellow. The distance from the sun is 5 and 20 AU. What the name means, Jupiter was the supreme god of Roman mythology, and the position of Jupiter in the solar system is fifth. The orbit in Earth years is 11 and 86 Earth years, and the length of one day is 9 hours and 56 minutes. The temperature on Jupiter is minus 234 Fahrenheit and minus 145 Celsius. The Jupiter has more than 50 moons and has 4 rings. Jupiter is made of hydrogen, helium, water, methane, ammonia, rock, metallic hydrogen. The person who discovered Jupiter is Galileo, when he discovered it on January 10th, 1610. 3 interesting facts about Jupiter is Jupiter is the 4th brightest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets, and the ancient Babylonians were the first to record their sightings of Jupiter.
Hello, my planet is Saturn. It is the 6th planet from the sun. It is also 9.6 AU from the sun. Saturn is 36,184 miles in size. My planet also has 62 known moon and 4 main rings. Saturn takes 10 hours and 42 minutes for Earth. Saturn takes 10 hours and 42 minutes for a day on Saturn. It also takes 29 Earth years for a year on Saturn. Saturn was discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Saturn is in Greek, in Roman mythology, was the god of agriculture and was the father of Jupiter.
Hi, my planet is Uranus. The size of Uranus is 25,362 kilometers. The color of Uranus is blue. The distance from the sun is 19.2 miles from the sun. What does its name mean? Uranus means sky or heaven. The the solar system. It is the 17th planet in the solar system. How long does it take for the planet to travel around the sun? It takes 84 Earth years. The length of a day, it takes Earth 24 hours to rotate in one day. How long does it take for it to rotate, or one rotation on my planet is 17 hours. The temperature on Uranus is negative 216 Celsius. How many moons does Uranus have? It has 27 moons. Uranus has 13 rings. Uranus is made out of hydrogen, ice, and ammonia. William Herschel discovered Uranus. He discovered it on March 13th on 1781. A couple facts about Uranus was not the first planet to be discovered by the telescope. Uranus is tipped over on its side with an actual tilt of 98 degrees. Uranus is not visible to the eye without a telescope. Now on to Neptune.
Hi, my name is Monica, and today I will give you my presentation about Neptune. Neptune is 4 times as big as Earth. Its color is blue, and distance from the sun is 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles. What does the name mean? The planet Neptune got its name from the Roman god of the sea. The position in the solar system is the 8th planet from the sun. Orbit, how long does it take Neptune to travel around the sun? 165 years. Since it takes 24 hours for Earth to rotate, it takes 16 hours and 3 minutes for Neptune to orbit on its axis. How cold or hot is my planet? Negative 218 degrees Celsius. How many moons does it have? 14 moons. And it has 6 rings. My planet is made up of iron and other metals. The person that discovered my planet is Johann Gatterfield Gale. I really don't know how to say his name. He discovered it on his first night of searching in 1846. And some interesting facts I have is the axis of Neptune's magnetic field is tipped over by 47 degrees compared with planets' rotation, with other planets' rotation axis. The highly eccentric orbit of Pluto brings Pluto inside Neptune's orbit for a 20-year period out of every 248 years. The magnetic field of Neptune is 27 times more powerful than Earth's. And that's all I have to say about Neptune.
On behalf of the Millennium Falcon, thank you for joining our tour.
Over and out.